This will be taking radicals and looking at how to change them into simple radical form for a solution to a problem so we can have it in the simplest form. So for this first example we have square root of 150, and in order to simplify this we're going to try to find two numbers that multiply to get 150 and have one of them be a square. So if we look, you can see that there we get like 10 times 15, but neither are squares. We have 2 times 75, neither of them are squares. But one of them is a square. If we have 25 times 6, that gives us 150, and we know 25 is a perfect square. So if we rewrite 150 as the square root of 25 times the square root of 6, we can write it like that, and then we know that this is going to equal 5. So then our solution is 5 root 6, and that would be the simplest radical form, because the 6 cannot be broken down into any two numbers that multiply to get a 6 where one of them is a square. We can also do this when we have variables. So in this case we're going to look to get the same thing we did in the other case. So again with the 25 we can see that 25 times 2 would get 50, and then if we also need to get the x part. So if we're going to try to get this to get into a constant without a square root sign, like we did over here, we can pull the x squared there and the x there, because 25x squared times 2x is 50x cubed. And then this can be rewritten as square root of 25 times the square root of x squared times square root of 2x. And then when we simplify, we know that that's going to equal 5, and square root of x squared is just x times 2 root of x. So these are solutions.